Hello and welcome. This is Devanshi Shah and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Heavy snowfall is experienced in Syria, Turkey, Lebanon, Israel and Jordan of the Middle East. Start of the winter by heavy rains, snow and high winds has killed 2 Syrian refugees. Due to the cold air near surface area and sufficient moisture which lifted from depression, it has led to generation of snow from Southeast Europe into the Middle East. Cold winds over Black Sea has brought snowfall in Turkey, Istanbul and Greek islands of Crete and Santorini. 3 people were injured in Holon, Israel. An infant also died in Palestine in refugee campfire caused by a heating stove in West Bank. The Gulf of Suez experienced waves of more than 13 feet high, which led to the closure of Egypt's Red Sea ports. 2 main ports, Tartus and Latakia of Syria, were closed due to high waves of more than 15 feet. Many schools, banks, petrol stations and shops were forced to close, and many roads were closed due to approaching storm. Flights were delayed in Ben Gurion International Airport of Tel Aviv. Even Royal Jordanian flights were cancelled. 4 lakh Syrian refugees who moved to Bekaa Valley in eastern Lebanon had to struggle to clear snow from their tents due to the fear of snow collapsing their tents. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees stated that more than 100 tents collapsed already and roads were cut off by heavy snowfall. Colder climate is predicted for the next few days, said by weather forecast. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Devanshi Shah.